Hey everybody, it's Nick with Forte Legato Coffee. And right now I'm in the UK, not for the best of reasons, but at the same time, I'm here. And now I'm looking to actually make some coffee. Now, what happens if your hotel room, first of all, has horrible coffee, and second of all, doesn't have a kettle or a coffee maker? Now, this is actually very rare in Europe for them not to have a kettle. I'll have to put in a call later on, but it's late right now, and I need the ability to make a cup of coffee. So when I'm making a cup of coffee, I will turn to the Aeropress if I want cold brew, because I'm just looking to make a single batch. So do I really need this filter or the cap for right now? No, but like we typically do, we will use a reverse method because we'll be able to immerse the coffee very much in this Aeropress. And then what we'll do is we have our trusty beans that we would use. Today we've got a Mexico from Chiapas, and I've actually got some ground in another bag just to keep things easy. And just so you know, whenever I travel, very rarely do I bring a grinder with me. The reason being is that when you grind your own coffee, use a commercial grinder, and you can save yourself a lot of time and a lot of hassle. I just usually don't have the time. So, and in this case, typically, because time is so valuable, and I don't have the ability to bring a scale. I could bring a scale, but I wasn't going to do that this trip. Like, I'll typically take some coffee, and normally I'd weigh out about 18 grams, and I'm probably about pushing it right where it's at with the 4 line over here. And then actually it should be pretty simple after this. You have your Aeropress, you've got your coffee, we'll put that to the side, and then of course you've got your water. So let's start by pouring some water in here, and I like to rotate the whole Aeropress and get it up to that line. And if I don't have anything to stir it with, I might grab a pen. Oh, you know what? Here we are. The hotel itself came with a pen. Don't know how sanitary this is, but desperate times, desperate measures. So I'll go on and give that a stir. And what we'll do is in the morning, we'll put this back, open this back up. We will then plunge it like normal with the filter in this. And this would actually be a concentrate if left overnight. And, you know, I can add additional water to it, or I can drink it like straight, thick, syrupy goodness. But that smells really good, and I'm looking forward to trying this in the morning. So tomorrow we'll go on and open this all back up and start our coffee. It'll probably be around 7 or 8 in the morning, and that's very rare for me since I'm normally up around 4 or 5. But like right now, I'm trying to take things easy and not kill myself. So we'll put this back out in the morning and see how it goes. Well, good morning. It is the next morning. As you can tell, my hair's a little messy. Still have the same shirt on. It's first thing in the morning, and we now have you know, something that we're going to be able to pour the coffee into. And then of course we have our Aeropress, which looks really nice right now. As you can tell, everything's kind of settling in there. Doesn't look like a full concentrate to me, so I'm going to check and see if I do need to add water to it. But I'm going to essentially take the filter, place it on top, and take this, flip it over. Very similar to the traditional method that we would do for the inverted. And then, oh, I can smell the coffee. All right, so this yielded probably about 8 ounces. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. It is a little thick, but that covers how I get the coffee done in the morning. Now, I think later on, the hotel will probably bring me a kettle, so I'm looking forward to actually having something hot. So if you do enjoy this, you can like, subscribe. We do have another video, I think based on when I was in Scotland, where I did an Aeropress. So, and I actually had hot water there. So that wasn't a bad one. But anyway, thank you so much for joining us. And now we'll enjoy this coffee, and you'll be able to go to our website and find an Aeropress available if you'd like to, or the coffee. We have a Mexican Chiapas that I'm about to drink and enjoy. So thanks a lot.